tua ma le au nanga le mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo I lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik Pak Olusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua tapi lah ucapan lebih out. Mua tapi lah telepon ni time out ina lah ucapan. Malah bayang mulu. Mana tua fu? Matua I fasa ina lo tau maktapa ai no fuanga fa peni. Otta Samoa. Ole motta mo Samoa. Mado te fia au na pe mo o Samoa. Aftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Ela wana faila whaakau. Ili tupele na mai talo for voucher. Ela wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. Ili voucher. Tai fu se fa na ila se mai ole. Talo for voucher mo wai whaakau ma ne ai ole ya so. Ya no fat.
Talapalapa everyone, malole so for, and a warm Pacific greeting to you all, our beautiful viewers here today at your girl Bear, and of course.
Yes. Sorry guys, I am just getting swept up in the atmosphere because we are here at Manukau Tennis Centre at PolyX and it's already a vibe. As you see, everyone at the back is setting up their stalls. Everyone's getting ready for another fantastic night here at PolyX.
That's right. We love being out on location, and today, again, like we mention all the time, live and breathe Pacific. And this is a perfect example of our team getting out of the office and making sure that we know exactly what our Pasifika community are up to. And today we've got some exciting news. Not only do we have one of the youngest entrepreneur on the show, he's actually also the pretty much like number one here at PolyX, I reckon.
Oh, well, he's 6 years old, guys. As if you guys have been watching Lorenzo's Half Talanoa, I did mention that we're going to have the very one and only MJ here on BluTable podcast. He's only 6 years old.
6 years old. Whoa.
6 years old.
What were you doing at the age of 6? Because I know for myself, I was watching Rugrats, I think, at the age of 6.
At the age of 6, I was making mud cakes, but Lorenzo said that at the age of 6, he was running around the island of Samoa naked. So he did say that. He did.
Well, I'm just saying, like, 6 years old, and we're expected to kind of just do your homework, go to school, relax. I remember like one of my fond memories back in GI was smelling that smell of grass once they've mowed over and then you dig yourself inside the grass and you're like super excited and you just love it.
Yeah.
You know, you're playing, I think it's hide the egg in the nest or something, but those were back in the days when I was 6, so, but yeah, no.
But nowadays, we have kids like MJ opening up stores at PolyX, and he is a very, very younger store holder here at PolyX, and I think last week or the week before he actually sold out on all of his toys.
Yeah.
So make sure that you come in here quickly to PolyX at Manukau Tennis Centre out in Manukau City Centre.
Yeah. Look, guys, everyone is here, and I want to make a special shout out to Tassi, who actually hooked me up with my beautiful say. It's a very, you don't normally find a say like this. It's actually a te wheeler.
It's so unique.
And it's
that's what I
very
mentioned
unique.
to
And
you.
she made it herself. So I went out to another market just to help and support our local businesses, as you do. But thank you so much. And a shout out to Tassi, Whawhetai Lava, Mona Lofa, and for your support. But now that we're talking about support, we cannot forget about our awesome sponsors. If you are looking for somewhere to send lea lofa I Samoa, then you already know Pacific Easy Money Transfer, the most popular way to send your money to help mum, dad, and your whole ainga in Samoa. And if you kind of like, oh, we don't really need to send, then don't worry. We've got Whalute, the beautiful Whalute of Pacific 40, who will be able to not only help your family in Samoa, but our small businesses in the villages, in the remote villages of Samoa. Not forgetting Maota of Samoa, Seki Works, Say Oriana, and of course the Pacific Business Hub. I think I'm going to go see Oriana to get me some new outfits. Because,
take me with you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Shopping spree.
We're going to the Manu game tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to that. So I think we need a new outfit.
Oh,
What do you
yes,
reckon?
we do. And do you know what? I just want to say before you say something. So we are here at PolyX. It's all about the Polynesian experience. And if you did watch one of our shows earlier this week, you would have seen that we had Sal, the family lawyer, here on the show. And I've just noticed that on one of the big PolyX banners, we have another family lawyer, Chrissy, who's also from the
beautiful
Pacific
Chrissy.
Business
Check
Hub.
her out.
I know we can't
Wow.
see it. Oh, there we go.
There we
Yes.
go. Oh,
There's Chrissy. So
We
shout out
love
to you,
her.
girl. I just love how everyone's just immersed in the community.
Look, come through. It's gonna be amazing. Do not let the weather stop you, because look, we're here. Come through, because right after this,
MJ
in the house, and of course he's got a friend with him, LJ, who's supporting him, and that's what we're all about here on Blue TV, BluTable. It's about supporting one another. So stay tuned, guys. Right after this.
Tau tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau tau tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sea ke ina fo i lau ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow mau lau tapan. Afai foi vai pa olo sa. Awala te pon ma tu te siapa lah yang foi e mau lau tapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tape lau ta vale pe out. Rua tape lau telefoni ir tai me utu ina lau ta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I whaasaina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Ota Samoa, ore maota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pe mo o sa mo. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Nila wana whailau whaakau. I le tupele na mai le talo for voucher. Nila wana whaakau me te mga oi. I le voucher. Tai fu se whanau le lapsi mai o le talo for voucher o mawai whaakau mane ai o le yaso. Ia no whaat.
Hi everyone! Say hi everyone! Do you guys want to say talofa lava to everyone?
Hi! We are so excited, and how adorable are these kids? Now, what's your name?
MJ.
MJ. We have MJ right here, and we have LJ. MJ and LJ, guys. And how old are you guys?
I'm 6, he's 6.
Are you guys both 6? Are you guys both friends?
Yeah.
Cute. And how do you guys know each other?
We go to the same school.
You guys go to the same school. What school do you go to?
St. Anne's, and he goes to the same school as me.
So you guys go say, hey, should we say hi to all your friends at St. Anne's?
Say hi to... Hi!
So cute. Now, MJ is only 6 years old, and he has his own very stall here at Poly X. Now, MJ, are you ready for your first question? Yes, he's got it, guys. So, why do you like coming to Poly X Market? We're just talking here.
Because I like doing my stuff with my toys, and I like making money.
So he likes coming here to make some money. So don't we all like making some money?
Last week I made $400.
Last week, guys, he made $400. That's more than I made.
Wow!
MJ. Do you want to give me a high five? $400.
$400.
At the age of 6, guys. Now, what were you doing at the age of 6?
Not earning $400, I bet. Oh my gosh, that's well done. I'm so proud of you. Are you ready for your second question? You ready for? No, you're not ready.
Got it.
No. I'm gonna ask you your second question. You ready? Can you hear me? Okay. So your second question is: do you enjoy selling your toys and making money?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Do you want to show us some of your toys here? What are you selling?
I'm selling this light up Iron Man mask and
Cool.
the Captain America mask.
Oh my God.
Cool.
And there's one more, and it's a Spider-Man mask.
That's
pretty
cool, guys. I want one.
I want one too.
Do you
Should
want one?
we try one on?
Should we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alja, do you want to try one on as well?
I'm gonna try one
you wanna
on.
try on
I
the
think
mask?
I'm gonna be Iron Man. Our boss, Iron Man. Shout out to our boss, Iron Man.
I've got to wear one of these glasses.
Let's try it out. I love it. Sold. Love that. That is so cool.
Now we have a group of questions. Okay. So, MJ, what does the word business mean to you? business is about making
Money.
Making money. Yes, business is about making money. Now, what does vendor mean to you? Vendor is someone who sells
Stuff.
Yes. A vendor is someone who sells stuff just like you, huh? Awesome. And stock take is
You do something.
counting your
Stuff.
Yes. Guys, I think we've just had our very first business 101 class by our very own MJ, who's only 6 years old.
Man, I'm super proud of you. Honestly, MJ, wow. I think we there was one week we came through and we did purchase a few items from MJ's store, and Pepe absolutely loved it.
Awesome.
Honestly, should we check out some videos though?
Let's do it. Now, we are going to show you some videos of MJ actually getting all his stuff ready and setting up his store. So, have a look, guys. That's you. That was so cool.
MJ, I'm so impressed. Who helps you with your business?
My mom.
Your mom.
Shout out to Mom
Shout out to
Teresa.
mom. Look, you have a very special mom, don't you? Yeah, I really love your mom. She has this beautiful smile. So I shout out to mom. Look, to all of our mums out there who are trying to kind of get that balance right. Look, it's okay if you don't get it all right all the time, but MJ's mom has obviously done an amazing job with her boy here. So no, we're really enjoying it. Look, well, I'm going to ask LJ a few questions. LJ, how do you help your friend here? How do you support him? Do you go and help pay for some of this? Spend some of your mum's money too, eh? Yeah?
Yeah.
What is this? Guys, it lights up. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's lighting up.
I love this. What's your most popular toy that you sell? Which toy goes first? That everyone,
The
yeah.
sword.
That I agree, because last 2 weeks, my daughter, actually I think she was fighting with LJ for someone else's sword that didn't actually belong to either one of them. So that's pretty cool. What's your favorite toy, LJ? Which one's your favorite toy?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Which one's Iron Man?
This one.
Oh man, that is so awesome. Claudia, did you have any other questions for MJ?
I am just in so much awe. I think you guys are so cool. MJ and LJ, thank you so much for being on the show. I'm sure that you have inspired a lot of other little kids out there. I wish I was doing something at the age of 6.
Me too. I wish I was earning $400 at the age of 6. I'm really impressed, and look, if any of the mums are looking at ways to help support your kids, then you already know, head over to PolyX. The team at PolyX will come through and help you. But not only that, it's school holidays, guys. Woohoo!
Yes, and
so head over to PolyX, celebrate the last day of school. Come and support your local. And
Ben, I think I have one very important question.
what's the very important question?
MJ, how are you going to spend all your money?
I don't know.
Oh, that's good, kid. Are you going to buy your mama some flowers, maybe? Aw, cute. He's going to buy his mum some flowers.
You know what? I'm wondering if Mum will come through on the show.
You know,
That might just
Mummy,
be something
I
that we
think
can
MJ's calling out
organize.
for Mum.
Oh, look, guys, if you're not doing anything, head over to PolyX tonight. We're going to be here and actually,
So is MJ.
yeah, we're going to go
Thank
check
you,
out his
yeah.
store.
I have two dads and one stepmom, and I have one mom right there.
Aw, hi to MJ's parents. They've done such a cool job with you, huh? Yeah, is your mum your favourite though? Yes. Now, MJ's store is usually outside on the tennis court, but today he's going to be inside the main dome. So make sure you head on here extra early because his toys do sell out.
Yeah.
So thank you again.
And
We're going to go into a short break.
These lighter.
On these
They're
lights
light. Can you show us?
too. Can we turn it on? I think.
Oh,
my God,
wow.
guys. Look at that.
And look at that, already entrepreneur, like the skills are ready. It lights up, guys.
And you know, a
lights
few
up.
minutes ago, everyone here was eating keke kuah.
Yes, we
Yes,
were.
we were.
Yes.
And look at that. You know what I love?
I appreciate honesty.
we appreciate how MJ is still supporting his fellow colleagues here at PolyX,
Yeah.
showing a true leader, supporting others. So the keke puā that we did have and feast on before the show that he exposed us on was Whale Ainga, which is here located on that side of the dome. We love and support them 100%. So thank you so much, MJ. You know what? You're a pretty cool boy, man. High five. High five, LJ.
High five, MJ.
I think that's today.
High five, LJ. And high five there.
Right after the break, we're gonna keep going. PolyX vibe. Yeah.
And you know, we were eating Laauli. She wanted one and she called you mom.
Yes, she did.
I think we should go to a break before we get fully exposed.
Yeah. Stay tuned, guys.
Bye.
Welcome to the Pacific Business Hub.
Hold up, pose, yeah, pose, yeah, pose. I am, photo shoot, pose. I am, pose. It's a photo shoot. Dope boy, I'm a Polaroid. Photos make me paranoid. Living up her camera phone.
tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i mata. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o mata au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posibilidad, mua, tapi lah ucapan le peaut. Mua, tapi lah telepon ni kita meu tu inai lah ucapan. Malah bayang mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I fasa ina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga fa pe Otta Samoa ore motta mo Samoa ma do te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa maftaila fia mai we'll see you again God bless.
Guys, and welcome back to BluTable podcast. And we did have MJ, the 6-year-old and the youngest store holder here at Poly X. And shout out to So'o and also shout out to Georgie. I was very much done with having MJ expose me and Bear because that was a little bit awkward. But it was so awesome having him. And what amazing things our young Pacific kids are doing these days. And we have another very special guest.
We do. We have Dan here, Poly X. Just before we went into break, yes, MJ did expose us with our kekepua'a that we had before the show. And every single week that we're here, without fail, you already know we're always eating something delicious.
And
so good. The team here, I did pronounce it wrong earlier because my first time was a bit but Fale Ainga here, the awesome team, Dan, oh my goodness. I'll let you introduce yourself, brother.
Okay. Hi everyone, so my name's Daniel Fruin, come from West Auckland, Kelston. So I'm part of the Fale Ainga catering group. So do I explain that more?
Man, share with our viewers exactly what you do, because I know that it's not just about the food, that it's God-driven, and we love it, and we love, and you know what, I'm telling you, it tastes, oh my God, heaven.
My mouth is just watering watching you eat it.
While he explains, I'm going to be that rude someone who keeps on eating.
Okay, Telefaleva everyone. So, look, we're a church-based catering business. It came out of necessity because we had to pay our lease. Now, we know that, prices are going up and we really wanted a place to fellowship. So we thought our talents and our gifts that God has given us is cooking. We're really good cooks. So the reason why we named Faleinga is because we always do Faleingas. So every Saturday they're like, do you guys have a Faleinga? Yes, we have a Faleinga. So then we just thought, hey, well, let's just name ourselves Faleinga because we're always doing Faleingas. So we started with our barbecue plates. We used to sell it in West Auckland. I know a lot about Westies would know it. But then we thought, no, we'll go into something that we felt there was a need. You know what I mean? I'm not putting down any other ones, lamb buns or pork buns, but we felt we wanted to do something to be a blessing. Yeah. Right? And so we thought, hey, let's try to do lamb buns. And so we tried to do the lamb buns. We started last year with Poly X. We were one of their first vendors. So we were here on the very first market night, and we've been here every market night since. And so since then, we've really built a reputation. It says on our business card, here on Deuteronomy 28 verse 8, it says, the Lord will bless everything you put your hand to. So that's what we believe. We believe that the Lord will bless what we put our hands to and our hearts to, and we're blessed to be a blessing. And that's all we want to do. We want to make it cheap, we want to make it affordable, and we want to make it nice and yummy for our customers. So all our profits go to the church. Shout out to our church ladies who are always there holding it down. Fatima, Sopo, Oli, Anna, Jali. Sorry, I'm getting emotional because these are the church ladies that volunteer every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to make the lamb buns. So God bless you guys. I hope you guys are watching. Share this video. But yeah, that's just a little bit about us.
Do you know what? I mean, every time I've eaten this, I'm just like, oh my God, this is just amazing. But now I'm just so humbled and so blessed that I've even been able to like taste your food. Be somehow a very small
just
part
getting
of this.
emotional from hearing, like, you know, every week we're here. You know, we're here. We know that everyone has a story to share. Everyone has, you know, been a blessing with our journey here at PolyX, helping our businesses. You know, we keep saying it, live and breathe Pacific. Dan, you've joined us today, and I am blown away. Like, my heart, like, really, it is. You know,
amazing.
Food to your soul, and you're preaching the word of God. I've got nothing to say. Like, I honestly just, you know I get it. You know, it's a business, but you're not only raising money to just inject back into your local, into church, into your fellowship, because, man, that's the time that you...
It's a time, it's a lot of effort that goes into it. Shout out to Tuai. Sorry, I missed your name. You're one of our key players here. But we know that COVID, a lot of families did struggle, loss of jobs. And so our church, we've solely focused on volunteering, you know, not much donations. It's just volunteer time, and this will pay the bills, and it'll feed into the church and go into other church activities, mothers programs, fathers programs, youth programs. That's what we're all about.
So can you please let everyone know where your local is, please?
Yes. Oh, thank you. So our church is in 40918 Great North Road, Kelston, in between the storage and the tire shop. Feel free to come on down if you're hungry and you don't have any money. You want a lamb bun? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, feel free to come down. We'll treat you, we'll bless you.
All the way from West Auckland, and you guys travel here just to bless everyone, so that they are, oh my gosh, not only filled with and I'm no lies,
The best bun you've ever had?
Seriously, and like should we just like really, like, let's get a close up on this, because this, you know, like, that is pretty wicked. Like, check that out.
MJ did say that we did have our share of buns before the show, but I think it's time we get another bag, more buns.
And you know what was happening? You know, there's been a meme that's been going around on the internet about portion, right? About the portion. You know, a little bit of all with their portion sizes. Well, I'll tell you, their portion size is like makua'i. It's so
Thank
good.
you guys.
Did you wanna say anything else? Like, share something about, like, just an experience here at PolyX and how it's helped you. You know, anything else that you wanted to share?
Yeah, no, I just want to share to the PolyX team, thank you for the opportunity that you've created for not only us, but for the other Pacific businesses who are struggling to try and make it through. We really appreciate your work here at PolyX and Blue TV as well. Thank you very much for the opportunity. But just shout out to everyone that's here, all the mothers or the fathers or the families that are making food to provide for your families, your churches, your businesses. All the best. God bless. God is with you, and we support you all the way.
Oh man, Dan.
Thank you, Dan, so much.
Oh man, not only have you filled our stomachs, I am filled with the Holy Spirit right now. I can feel the vibe. No, really am. I'm not being seriously, like, you know, it's hard to kind of,
because we're not often left speechless. I am, but I just feel very at peace now.
I am. Like, just knowing that every week, you know, we're not just gaining a few pounds. We are actually helping and really supporting our community. Bring it in, man. I need a hug.
I'm going to come in here too.
Thank you so much, Dan. You already know where it's at. PolyX. We're here showing the love. Love and support your local. That's all I'm saying. Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you girls. Thank you, team.
Right up
See ya.
next. MJ's mom will be joining us.
Nila wana whailau whaakau. I le tupele na mai le talo for voucher. Nila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi i le voucher. Tai fu se whanau le lapsi mai o le talo for voucher o mawai whaakau mane ai o le yaso. Ia no whaat.
Welcome to the Pacific Business Hub.
Hold up, pose, yeah, pose, pose, yeah, pose. I am a photo shoot, pose. I am pose. It's a photo shoot. Dope boy, I'm a Polaroid. Photos make me paranoid. Living up her camera phone.
Tau tua mara au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele unisio matu au nanga i sesi. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik Pak Ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang punya mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua tapi lah ucapan lebih out. Mua tapi lah telepon ni saya mau tu inai lah ucapan. Malah bayang mulu. Mana tua fu? Matua i fasa ina, lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga fapengi. Ota Samoa, ore mota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai, We'll see you again. God bless.
Today it's a little bit chilly, but it doesn't matter. It is awesome. The vibes are good. A massive whakatei lava to, of course, our sponsors, Pacific Easy, Pacific 40, Moto Samoa, Sei Oriana, who's actually got a sale on at the moment, Seki Works, and of course, the Pacific Business Hub. If you are looking for a place to capture that special moment, those culture photos are popular, and honestly, our online booking system has been booming, and it's crazy. Like, the requests have been coming through, so send them through. Book it on Blue Wave. Don't forget that name. It's a name you can trust. Hand on heart, I promise. But Claudia, who's this beautiful lady here?
Wow, how lucky are we to have the awesome MJ back on our show. Say hi to everyone. And if you guys were wondering who could be responsible for such an amazing kid, we have his amazing mum, Teresa, right hand. Isn't she beautiful, guys? Isn't your mum beautiful? Yes. So Teresa, do you want to tell us a little bit about like MJ's journey here and how you've been helping out?
Yeah, sure. So MJ originally started off with, so I'm in business myself. My mum is also, he always helps us out at home and stuff. And I think he just like always sees us, you know, he sees it. So I had gone to China in 2018 to look for suppliers for our business, our wedding planning business. And I had asked him and my niece, I said, if you had a business, what business would it be? And he said he would have a toy business. And you know, being 6 years old, I thought, oh, that's perfect. Who would be more perfect to start a business than a child, you know, a toy business? So I was in China, I found him a supplier. I came back and I ordered, he went online, he picked everything out, spoke to a supplier, and then we got it ordered in originally for the Lantern Festival, and then COVID hit. So his first experience in business was cancellation. Yeah, definitely. But you know, I think us parents don't realize how intelligent and how resilient children are, you know. So then he asked if he could do it at the night market. Another night market, and then he did a few markets there, and then when I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, perfect opportunity, you know, and especially for him to be around like Polynesian vendors, Polynesian owned businesses, and a great platform for, you know, like especially his first experience, something that he's in three Fridays in a row, you know, so yeah, that's pretty much his story. So I pick him up from school on a Friday. He comes, he sets up, I make him unpack the car by himself.
Wow, love that.
Yes. So the boys outside, when we pulled up today, they were like, do you need help? And I was like, no. And then someone else came there, do you need help? I was like, no. And then I was like, no, he must do it himself, you know, he must learn himself. So I make him unpack the car by himself. And then we come. Yes, you do, so you can learn.
You have to help me.
The boss. Has he ever, have you discussed like a long-term goal, like the vision that you have? Has he ever said anything that has sparked any of that conversation? Or?
Yes, definitely. We always have conversations, you know. I think like I said, we underestimate children, man. You know, we don't really pay much attention to their thoughts and their creative ideas and their imagination, you know. So in the car, like for example, if we go to the mall, we'll get in the car, I'll say to him, hey, did you see that cool business? A new one. He'll be like, yeah. I'll be like, that's cool, you could do that, you know that, right? And he's like, yeah, I know I could. And then I'll like spark up ideas, you know. So yeah, it's usually always around conversation. And I teach him a lot of things about little things like if you're to register a business, so who is a business owner?
Me.
You. And And if you were to register your business by yourself in New Zealand as a sole trader, what would that mean? A person that... Sorry? Yes, runs their business by themselves and keeps all the profit. Good boy, well done. And you as a business owner, you pay taxes to who? The government. Good boy. So see, conversation like that, you know.
Yeah.
We are
Parenting done very, very well right there, guys.
I think my kids are watching going, man, what a wicked mom. What an awesome mom. Because my kids are like, yeah, my mom, yeah. It's just like, go do the dishes. Go, do I get to pay? Yeah, I am the government. I'm kidding, guys, I'm kidding. But man, I love this. I love the combo. I love the vibe that you guys have both brought here to the Poly X, because as a mom, you know, I often kind of like miss the communication part with my kids.
Oh, yeah.
And, you know, and I'm not in any way saying, oh, you know, but it does happen.
Yeah,
you know?
I know, it does happen,
it's
yeah.
a disconnection. So
Yeah.
I love how connected you are with MJ and what you've done here. And I know, so I'm not even going to say I hope, I know it's inspired so many moms and so many of our young children. Do you think you could potentially be looking at helping other children kind of like tap into that? What is it like to really kind of get out there? No?
Yes, definitely. It's funny because I always post like on my Instagram. I post him. He has like a homeschool corner.
Yep.
So he didn't go to school for kindergarten or preschool. I just homeschooled him. And you'd be surprised, you know. He is in school now for the social aspect. But definitely. I'll definitely be open to it. I love teaching like my nieces and my nephews, and we must teach our children early what we learn late. You know, we must. Our job as parents, you know, is to teach them how to survive without us. You know, so you know, God willing, I live a long, happy, healthy life. So you know, if in the event that you know, God takes me home, He's okay. You know, and I'm okay, you know, I go happily, you know, so.
What is up with all of these awesome stories?
Something about today.
Something about today, and that's what it's all about here on BluTV. Look, I'm going to let Claudia wrap this one up. Claudia, do you have any final questions or any last words?
Like I was just saying to you, I think we were just having a conversation with our eyes there, but what an emotional and inspirational show it has been here on BluTable podcast. I mean, we have a lot of inspirational guests. We've got MJ, we've got Dan, we've got the beautiful Teresa, but we're going to go into a quick break while we soak this in because it's a vibe here, guys. Head on down to Poly X here at Manukau Tennis Centre. It's going to start soon. Don't worry about the weather. You've got heaps of love and the Holy Spirit here to keep you warm. So we'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
You know my papa?
Say bye.
Okay. Oh no, exposing us.
Say bye, guys.
Say bye.
Nila wana whailau whaakau. Ili tupele na mai talo for voucher. Nila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. Ili voucher. Time for so far now, nila sumayole. Talo for voucher mo wai whaakau mane ayole so. Yano fat.
Hold up, pose, yeah, pose, yeah, pose. I am a photo shoot, pose. I am pose. It's a photo shoot. Dope boy, I'm a Polaroid. Photos make me paranoid. Living up her camera phone.
Tau tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I mata. Ma tau tau tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele o nisi o mata au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik-baik Pak Olosa? Awalnya telepon. Mātou te sapala ia hoi ea moro tā wale. Moro nupo sila fia. Mua, ta pē lau tā wale pē autu. Rua, ta pē lau telefoni i tai me utu ina lau tā wale. Ma le vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua i whasa ina, lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Ota Samoa, ore ma ota mo Samoa. Ma do te fia e au auna pea mo oi Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Massive shout out to Richie, to Chad, the man who has tuned in. Now also to Shiza, and we've got Flora, Talofa Lover, and thank you so much for always showing that love and support for our team here on BluTable Podcast. Claudia, we have another little friend over here, our little boy. Say hi to everyone, LJ. LJ, tell everyone, can we have a look at your t-shirt? Let's have a look. Do you want to show us what you're selling? Oh, yeah. Whoa. That's a pretty popular t-shirt. Is that what you're selling here? You're selling those t-shirts? Oh, you must make a lot of money. And it's a bit cold. Can I have the stopper? Because you guys are selling jumpers as well, huh? That's right, the little boss man here, LJ, he's actually the real boss for
the fast party.
The official fast merch here at PolyX, and they've got hoodies.
And LJ, what's your favorite thing about PolyX? Is it the food? What's your favorite thing? Do you like the food? Do you like hanging out with your friends? He likes hanging out with his friends. I saw you hanging out with LJ.
Yeah.
That's cool. Is that your little crew? Yeah.
Look, we have been excited to be here. It's been, I think, 2 weeks, since we've been trying to get that vibe back. We absolutely love it here at PolyX at Manukau. Don't forget to stay tuned, because we have the man, number one, Asiata in the building. Woo! So Asiata, we can't wait for you to shout us our dinner tonight, because that's what you're all about. And we're talking about dinner. A massive shout out to the owner of PolyX who hooked it up with the drink. Thank you so much, Sabrina, for always showing love and support. So
what a vibe it is here, and the DJ's doing such a good job here, guys. I'm just enjoying the music, enjoy the food.
Yes, the food, the drinks. If you want to purchase one of these, it's right here, Cozy Kai's. A massive shout out to Cozy Kai's. If you don't already know, I am a fan of Cozy Kai, who is just right next to us right here. Cozy Kai, give us a wave. Hi. There we go, Cozy Kai, always bringing the goods. PolyX. LJ, did you want to say anything to anyone to buy your guys' t-shirts? No? What do you want to say? Say something. Buy my t-shirt. Oh, he said buy our t-shirt. Oh, buy everyone a t-shirt.
Oh, isn't that so cute? Thinking about everyone.
That's what it's all about.
It is.
Look, guys, that's it from us here. Don't forget, us right after this, we have the Manu Boys tomorrow. Woohoo!
LJ, are you going to be watching the game tomorrow? Yes, he is. Who are you going for, Samoa or Tonga? Oh, he's thinking about it.
TOYBOX.
I'm a bit worried for a second. Is there anyone that you want to say hello to? Want to say hi to your mom, maybe? Hi, mom.
Hi to your mum. Hi, mum. Do you want to tell your mum to buy us some more food? Chocolate. No.
He knows.
No, that's it. Claudia,
We tried our luck.
Yeah, we tried. That's it from our team here. A massive, massive whawhetai lava to our sponsors. Without our sponsors, the love and support from our sponsors, our dream of building a podcast for our Pacific people to share their hearts on here live. None of that would be possible without our sponsors. Whawhetai lava, Pacific Easy, Pacific 40, Malta Samoa, Seki Works, Sei Oriana, and of course the Pacific Business Hub. That's us. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. Should we go
Let's
now?
go. We love you. God bless everyone.
Bye.
Should we go? Let's go check it out.
Let's go, LJ.
I want to go for a dance.
Come on. Let's go. Come this way. Come with us. Come here, go
Squad, baby. Rex, J. Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm a say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move in and come here. Yeah, they on the nail, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine.